Mini splits are a great solution for many, many applications, but you cannot ignore them. They require and they demand attention and maintenance. Any thoughts?
I agree. Well said.
Anyway, well, I always love it when we find a definitive solution, and I believe that we have in this case. Well, this is a project that Sam has brought into the office, and I've got some particular issues that we're here today to delve a little deeper into, try to find out or analyze to see what it is that's actually causing the complaints and the problems that we're hoping to solve. Do you want to give a little more background, Sam?
Yeah, so this property converted over to mini splits not too long ago. It looks like they converted from PTAX, and a lot of these mini splits are failing before their life expectancy would say they should be failing. So we're trying to figure out what's going on there and hopefully get them some solutions.
A couple of things I think that we've heard already is that the condensing units for these mini splits were not always matched correctly to the indoor heads. They have multiple indoor heads. In the case of a 2-ton unit, 2 heads and 3 heads for a 3-ton unit. However, the actual BTU matchups are incorrect in some cases, so that we know is one of the issues. Another one that I've heard of and is that we've got some copper tubing. Some of the line sets have been pierced by carpet laying, by putting down new baseboard and nailing into the line sets. Probably some of them have been tenants putting pictures on the wall and putting nails in that way. So we know that's another item. And then the condensate, there's a lot of complaints about leaks. And the ways that they've got the condensate drain system set up here, they don't know they've got a problem till the problem has presented itself catastrophically. So that's something that we haven't figured out what the solution should be yet, the best solution, but we're going to be looking into that in detail so that we solve it thoroughly. Beyond that, we're just on a mission here today to get as many possibilities pulled together as we can. This is a mini split head that was installed in one of these apartments, and it doesn't look like it has been maintained or cleaned for years, which is something that you simply have to do. These mini split heads have very long blower wheels that you can get in here, and look, the blower wheel is just as long as the unit is, but look at it. It is full of growth and corrosion. The big problem with this whole community is that these mini splits with multiple heads were installed and simply not maintained. It looks like they were ignored, in my view. So that looks like it's definitive. I always like a definitive analysis, and I think we've found it.